morning everyone. We are from grade 7. Our topic is in Kannada Padya Annadata. ಇವನೆ ನೋಡು ಅನ್ನದಾತ ಹೊಲದಿ ದುಡಿವೆ ದುಡಿವನು ನಾಡ ಜನರು ಬದುಕಲೆಂದು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಬೆಲೆವನು ಇವನೆ ನೋಡು ಅನ್ನದಾತ ಹೊಲದಿ ದುಡಿವೆ ದುಡಿವನು ನಾಡ ಜನರು ಬದುಕಲೆಂದು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಬೆಲೆವನು ಮಳೆಯ ಗುಡುಕು ಚಳಿಯ ನಡುಕು ಬಿಸಿಲ ಬೇಗ ಸಹಿಸುತ್ತ ಬೆವರು ಸುರಿಸಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನೆ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತ ಮಳೆಯ ಗುಡುಕು ಚಳಿಯ ನಡುಕು ಬಿಸಿಲ ಬೇಗ ಸಹಿಸುತ್ತ ಬೆವರು ಸುರಿಸಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಸಹಿಸಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನೆ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ದೇಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೇವನಿಂದ ಪಡೆದನು ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗಿ ತ್ಯಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ದೇಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸು ದೇವನಿಂದ ಪಡೆದನು ಯೋಗಿಯಾಗಿ ತ್ಯಾಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ನೀಡುತ್ತಿರುವನು ಎತ್ತು ಎರಡು ಅವನ ಜೋಡು ಹೊಂದಿ ದುಡಿವೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಹೇಗೂ ಕುಗ್ಗುವೇನು ಎರಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆವನು ಎತ್ತು ಎರಡು ಅವನ ಜೋಡು ಕೂಡಿ ದುಡಿವೆ ಗೆಳೆಯರು ಹೇಗೂ ಕುಗ್ಗುವೇನು ಎರಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿಕೊಂಡು ನಡೆವನು ಇವನೇ ನೋಡು ಅನ್ನದಾತ ಹೊಲದ ದುಡಿವೆ ದುಡಿವನು ನಾಡ ಜನರು ಬದುಕಲೆಂದು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಬೆಲೆವನು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಬೆಲೆವನು ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯ ಬೆಲೆವನು
छटपट होकर बड़ा फौज में एक यही बस मन में आता मैं भर्ती हो जाता आज इतनी खुश होती जब मैं एक बड़ा सा पुरस्कार भी राष्ट्रपति से पाता। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. My name is Dilshan from grade 7. This is Vikram lander of Chandrayaan 3. It is the pride of India and India make history in the world. This is rover which move in the moon to research south pole of the moon. Thank you.
Cotton buds, sir. After dip in the baking soda solution and we should drop. And we can draw and nothing, sir. And we can make DVD cards and different kinds of activities and any drawings. Thank you.
We are from grade 8. We are going to perform a skit, The Boy Who Sold Wisdom, English.
This is Nagendra. Nagendra was orphaned and found himself without job. He was clever and one day he has a brilliant idea. I want the cheapest and smallest place. Let me set up a shop. This is my shop. Let me set up paper, pen and ink. My shop name is Wisdom for Sale. Come everyone, come everyone. There is a wisdom for sale, wisdom for sale.
One day Babu, rich merchant's son, passing by here
wisdom for kg. I do. For this nickel. Yes, it is not wise to stand and watch two people fighting. Father, I brought a wisdom for a nickel.
You fool, paying a nickel for this nonsense. Everyone know one should not watch anyone fighting. Come, let's go for Nagendra Shah. You scoundrel, you cheated my son.
If you don't want my goods, you can return it. Give back my wisdom. You have not returned my wisdom. You have returned my favor. If you want money back, you should sign in the agreement.
Okay, I will sign.
That your son will be not never use my advice and always stand and watching two people fighting.
The king of a land had two queens who hated each other. So did their maids one day.
I want this. I want this. I want this. My goodness.
Can you be my nurse?
Two maids went to the king and said about the quarrel and said Babu will be the witness.
Who is the witness? Babu.
Be witness for 2 minutes. King order.
And Babu and his father went to Nagendra's shop to seek help.
Can you help my son?
Yes, I will help, but you should need pay 500.
Okay.
When they called to the court, Raven and his son.
Babu, tell you start the fight. Get lost.
Merchant is very. The king find Babu has been prayed they would kill him. So they decided to go to Nagendra's shop.
Again, please, my son. Again, please help my son.
Yes, you need to pay 500 rupees. Go back to the king when he is in a good mood and tell him whole story.
Babu followed the advice of Nagendra and found the king in the good mood and told him the story. The king laughed a lot and forgave him. The king who had Nagendra's The king who had heard about Nagendra's wisdom came to the market to see Nagendra.
Do you have for wisdom set?
Yes, I have for but 1 lakh. Think better before you do anything.
King was very happy with the advice of Nagendra and made this word motto on carved in cups and plates so that he would never forget it. After few months, the king felt ill.
Mix the poison in king's tea.
Okay, good.
Doctor
My respected teachers and dear friends, I am Bibi Hazira. I am studying in grade 9. Today I am going to speak about few words Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, one of the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's sister, she was the High Commissioner for India in the United Kingdom. She was born on 18 August 1900 in the Gandhi Nehru family. In 1921, she married Ranjit Sitaram Pandit, a well-known lawyer of Kathiawar. She was the first woman in the world to become the President of the United Nations General Assembly in 1953. She opposed the emergency imposed by Indira Gandhi and joined the Janata Dal. Vijayalakshmi Pandit was arrested in 1932 for participating in the non-cooperation movement. Vijayalakshmi Pandit elected a member of the Constituent Assembly of India from 1946 to 1950. She held many important positions like Governor and Ambassador. Vijayalakshmi Pandit made her invaluable contribution in the freedom movement of India. She was the High Commissioner for India in the United Kingdom. Gandhiji advised Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Our advice says that no one can harm you except yourself. Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Zaina Mishra. I am from grade 9. I am going to speak few words about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political activist and poetess. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Her birthday is celebrated as National Women's Day in India. She is fondly called the Nightingale of India because of her contribution to poetry. After completing her matriculation, she moved to London to pursue her higher studies. She played a vital role in India's struggles for independence. Sarojini Naidu took part in the Salt March with Mahatma Gandhi. In 1947, Sarojini Naidu became the governor of United Provinces known as Uttar Pradesh. Sarojini Naidu joined the Indian National Congress and went to become the President of Indian National Congress. Sarojini Naidu actively took part towards in applied and equality of women in Indian society. On 2nd March 1947, Sarojini Naidu passed away while she was serving her governor position. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Jennifer. I am from grade 9. I am going to speak few words about Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi was born on 9 June 1949, who became the first woman in India to join the officers rank of the Indian Police Service (IPS) in 1972, and was the 24th Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry from 28 May 2016 to 16 February 2022. Kiran Bedi is a judicial person overflowing with kind and courage. She was the police in the entire police department and handled many challenging situations. She is the first woman police officer in India to join. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Saida Hafsa. I am from grade 9. I am going to speak few words today about Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil is the first woman to become the President of India. She was born in Marathi family on 19 December 1934. She was awarded a master's degree in political science and economics by Molji Cheta College. On 8 November 2004, she became the 17th Governor of Rajasthan. She is the daughter of Narayan Rao Patil. In 1962, at the age of 27, she was elected to the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for the Jalgaon constituency. After that, she won in Mukti Nagar, formerly Edlabad constituency on 4 consecutive occasions between 1967 and 1985 before becoming a member of parliament in the Rajya Sabha between 1985 and 1990. She committed death sentences of 35 petitioners to life are record. Pratibha Patil has attained major achievements of business delegation at Brazil, Mexico, Spain, Vietnam, Poland, Tajikistan, United Kingdom, etc. Thank you.
Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Sagar Ulfat. I am from grade 9. Today I am going to speak about Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 26 August 1910 in the Ottoman Empire.
Mary Teresa was sent to Kolkata and became a teacher. In 1987, she took her final course and became known as Mother Teresa, and also became a principal. Sister Teresa taught for 17 years in Calcutta, but in 1946 was inspired to begin helping those sick and dying. She decided to start an orphanage in 1955. She opened an orphanage called Nirmala Shishu Bhavan, meaning the Children's Home of the Immaculate Heart, as a home for orphans and abandoned children. She had a series of heart attacks. After several years of deteriorating health, including heart, lung, and kidney problems, she died on September 12, 1997, at the age of 87.
A very good and pleasant morning to all and all present here. My name is Naswa Fatima from grade 9. I am going to speak about Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was an Indian politician and third Prime Minister of India. Indira Gandhi was born on 19 November 1917 at Allahabad. Her father's name was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who served as first Prime Minister of India, and mother's name was Kamala Nehru. Indira Gandhi married Feroz Gandhi, a Zoroastrian Parsi from Gujarat. In 1959, she became the party's president after joining the Congress party. In 1966, Indira Gandhi became India's first female prime minister. Due to the country's tumultuous political circumstances, he declared emergency on June 1975. She had played important role in freedom of Bangladesh. She essential the top position inspired millions of women throughout the world challenge gender equality conception. Indira Gandhi was assassinated by her bodyguard in 1984. Good morning everyone. Myself am Hajira, grade 10 standard. My topic is about Chandrayaan. Chandrayaan 1 was the first Indian lunar probe under the Chandrayaan program. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. A star tracker malfunction and thermal shielding issues led to communication, yet Chandrayaan 1 was deemed a success. Chandrayaan 2 is a second lunar exploration mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization after Chandrayaan 1. Chandrayaan 2 mission could not achieve success due to a small error that occurred during the lunar mission in the year 2019. Chandrayaan 3 is the third mission in the Chandrayaan program, a series of a lunar exploration mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. Chandrayaan 3 success. India became the first country to land on the south pole of the moon. It has been 3 decades since India made this journey to the moon. This time a successful one when the Vikram lander landed on the moon at 6:04 p.m. The Chandrayaan 3 landed successfully and it worked for almost 14 days. It was designed to work for 14 days on the moon. Its life period was only 14 days because the moon temperature fell down to -250 degree during the night time. So it worked during the sun hour or daytime, and during that it had already given all the data it was supposed to. It is very difficult for few electronic component to work in such a huge range of temperature. So it was accepted it would not work after 14 days. But a few scientists are very hopeful that it may work again. So if it work again, it will be a boon for us, and we will perform the same experiment again and again. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sardar Khan. I am a student of Radiance High School studying in grade 10. Today I am going to describe about the parts of this hibiscus flower. So friends, it is called hibiscus flower. It is also known as China rose. First of all, we can see this stick is called peduncle. It is green in color. So here you can see this small stipules. It is present here to protect the sepals. Sepals is lower and outer part of the hibiscus. It protects the petals. So friends, you can see here this beautiful and colorful part is called petals. So friends, there are two parts of this plant. One is male and another is female. First I am going to describe about male part of this plant. That is, you can see here yellow part on this plant of this flower is called anther. And this hair-like structure, red hair-like structure is called filament. And this both yellow and this hair-like structure, that is anther and filament, is called stamen. Stamen is the male part of this plant, of this flower. And another is female. It consists of three parts. That is stigma, style and female part consists of three parts. Stigma, style and ovary. So this upper red part is called stigma and this red long tubular part is called style, which is connected to ovary. And friends, here the white part is called peduncle, which is connected to the ovary, which produces ovules. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sagar and I am studying in grade 10. As you can see here a model of a neuron. Let us identify the different parts of the neuron. Neuron consists of a cell body, dendrites, axon and the last part is nerve ending. Dendrite receive information from the previous cell and conduct to the cell body. Cell body consists of nucleus. Nucleus helps in taking care and maintains the growth of the neuron. The electric impulse present in the previous cell. Dendrites receive information from the previous cell and conducts to the cell body. Then starts a chemical reaction which generates the electric impulse. The electric impulse travels from the dendrite to the cell body and along the axon and finally reaches the nerve ending. The nerve ending are not directly connected to the other neuron. There is a small gap present between the two neurons. This gap is